Hey guys, my name is Phil Wilson and welcome to this InVideo review. Now, if you don't know what InVideo is, it's a video creation tool which is based on the cloud, so you don't need to download anything, and it is really powerful. Now, I'm just going to be super blunt here. If you aren't doing video marketing for business, then there's a really good chance that you're getting left behind in the times. I mean, this is why I've even created this YouTube channel. Everyone is putting their attention at videos right now, and the reason being is it's more captivating, right? People used to read the newspaper a lot, people used to read a lot of books, people used to read, a lot of blog posts, things like that, but the world is changing the way it looks at media, right? You'll probably notice now if you go on Facebook and you're scrolling through, you'll scroll past bunches of different posts with just text, but then as soon as you see like a 3D image or a video, you'll stop and see what it's about. And the whole point of creating videos is so you can explain a message as well as creating attention and captivating people, right? And that's why I think InVideo is a really good tool for you right now. And the main thing is you don't need to be tech savvy, right? So you don't have to have like Adobe Premiere Pro. You don't have to have like Apple Final Cut X or whatever it is. You can use this simple and extremely affordable video option on the internet, which is going to quickly and even faster probably create videos for you. Now, I've got some examples for those people who don't actually do a side hustle or any type of online business right now, just to expand your mind a little bit. And for you that do have either a service-based business or an e-commerce store, things like that, I'm going to show you some examples of what InVideo can do. And just keep in mind, this is what you could easily create and then put forth on social media or with advertising, and you can generate a lot of interest into your business. So it's kind of a interesting review, but I want to just share with you the excitement because I'm only getting into video now, and video is just so much more powerful than anything else, and it's got great return on investment. So one last thing before I jump into this video, I'm actually going to go behind the screen and show you my InVideo dashboard, a few templates. I've got some interesting ads I've found in the Facebook ads library, and I've got some research into a few YouTube channels just to get the ticker going. But if you haven't yet got InVideo and you do decide to try it out, I've left a link in this description, and if you act quick, I know right now they have a sale where you can get it for, I think, $47 for life. So you only have to pay once, never again. If that does change, I'll get you a discount link anyway, so check out that in the description. Tool's worth it regardless. So I'm going to jump behind the screen right now, and let's get into today's training. Okay, guys, here we are in the back office, or the back office of InVideo. This is currently logged in with my account, as you can see here. They've got a 50% sale as well, but you can also get the lifetime if you watch this video not too far from when I shot it. But first of all, I'll just give you a quick overview of what it is, and then I want to show you a few interesting marketing techniques, right? So first of all, I'll just quickly close that. Yep. Okay, so here it is. So here's the dashboard. Now, if you scroll down, you can see there's 5 main types of social media posts it does: Instagram post, story, Facebook post, and story, as well as a YouTube landscape, right? And if you scroll down, there's all these different designs that you can use, which is cool. You probably don't understand really what it means just yet anyway. I'll show you instead, and that will give you a much better idea. As you can see, when you just hover over it, it can show you like a real basic idea of how things work. It's really cool because you've even got, animated logo things in here. So if you're trying to make a YouTube logo, you can just drop it into one of these templates and it'll get done for you super quick. So what I'm going to show you, the types of ads that are absolutely crushing the industry right now. We're talking e-commerce, we're talking, even local businesses, things like that, is these types of ads. They're real short, sharp, and they've got like video text on top. Now, I'll just make sure this is on mute, and I'll show you what it looks like, right? So it's just pretty much, this guy has created some videos. He's got different frames of different videos, and he's got text over it. Now, this video's been, this ad's been running for ages, which means it's making massive amounts of profit, right? So, basic ads like this, you don't need a film crew, you don't need anything like that. One person with an iPhone or a, Android or whatever it is, and just play around with it, bit of voiceover text, you're done. That's how simple it is to, create ads for e-commerce, right? Something to think about. There's dozens of these ads. I only chose this one because it showed up on my feed literally 2 minutes before I started shooting this video. The second thing I want to show you, so this is just so this is a great example for e-commerce, for services, like if you're a local business, that sort of thing. Definitely do this, even for courses and things like that. People just love short and sharp stuff. The other type of video that's really crushing it right now is compilations, right? So I found this channel. This is just one of probably hundreds or like tens of thousands, right? I'll reload it again so you can see the, yep, this is it here. So what it is they have pretty much created a compilation of, this one's 15 different things you know about the brand, whatever. 15 things to do when you're out of options, things like this. They're finding stock footage. You can go somewhere like pexels.com and you can get free Creative Commons footage, and you put together these little little videos of compilations with a bit of text over top. These guys have actually got not much text. They basically have a lot of voiceovers. I'll actually just play one of them so you can hear the voiceover. See, and they're running ads. This is the point I'm getting to in a second, but it's good that an ad showed up. But if you can hear it,
have the feeling we're just out of options.
That's probably the worst timing, but as you can see, it's just, this is all just stock imagery on the internet, and they've created a compilation, right? Now, one thing that I want you guys to understand is these guys have 3 million subscribers, and I've done a bit of research into their account, and that 3 million subscribers is generating about $30,000 a month. Now, this is like a very low ticket sort of niche to get into. If you talked about things like health, it would raise it up much higher, but that particular video is like a pretty low earning video, but you can earn so much money. That's a $370,000 almost YouTube channel per year these guys are potentially making just from putting together compilation videos. Very, very exciting stuff. Obviously there's a bit of work gone into it. You have to put videos out every day or something like that, but it's not hard, right? It's like InVideo can do all this sort of stuff. So that's why I wanted to sort of give you an idea about it. And if you want to see Pexels, which I mentioned, where you can find like stock videos, this is the site here. I'll leave a link in the description as well. You can find so much stock stuff in here, right? It's you can use it for business, you can use it for personal, you can use whatever, it's all there. So what I want to show you, so now that you understand sort of the types of videos that are absolutely crushing it right now, you'll see why these are a little bit more desirable now, eh? So it's just like something short and sharp. It's got a bit of animation, so it stops people in their tracks, and then it portrays a message. But I want to show you something even cooler, right? So what I've done is I've created like the tiniest little bit of script, and what I want to show you is this article to video feature. Right, and this is the most powerful thing. I'm going to just make it a YouTube video just for whatever. So you can just come down here, see what kind of video looks good, what kind of style you like. Let's just say I will just keep it basic. I'll just have this one. Okay. So I'm going to click on that. Oh, I'll just turn this off, and you can choose whatever template or size you want, but I'm going to keep it for YouTube. Use this template, and what I can do in here is actually add my text, right? So let's just say it's an article. Obviously this is going to be tiny. You could put like 30, 40, 50 in here, whatever. But this is just a basic one to show you what it does. And see here it says auto suggest images and videos. This is actually going to go out on the internet and save you a step and actually find you what it thinks matches the text that's there. Now, of course, there isn't much text in here, so it'll be pretty hard to find something for it. But I'll show you anyway for an example. So this is just going to do its magic. It's going to take only probably about another 5 seconds or so. And I've actually gone ahead and downloaded some videos from Pexels as well to show you how easy that is as well. Okay, so it's all loading now. And as you can see, things are starting to populate. So we've got each sentence that we added has got its own video, right? It's got its own, slide, which is really cool. And now it's just trying to find imagery to match, right? And you can also drag your own stuff in here. Now, instead of relying on what these guys brought together, because this is talking about knit and stuff like that, I've actually gone ahead and just downloaded some stuff from Pexels. I've already uploaded one. I'm going to pause the video and upload a few in a second, but I'll show you how easy it is to add in, videos behind the text, right? So did you see that? In a couple of seconds it's already added the video, and if I press play, it's just going to load. That's what the first slide is going to look like, right? Super easy, right? Super easy. It looks a bit jaggy because it's on a preview. When it's exported though, it's perfect. So I'm just going to pause this video and upload a few more so I can make it look a bit more custom. Alright, so I uploaded another 5. Doesn't take long to do each, I just don't want to make you guys wait. And pretty much the easiest way to do it is just hover over what the slide is, drop in something new, like drop in your new media you want to go in the back, like so. And then just continue doing that for all of them. Doesn't really take long, a couple of seconds for each. This one can go here. Of course, these you're gonna have to excuse the actual videos I'm dropping in there. They're not matching the text, but I'm just showing you the example. So pretty much right here, I've created, you know, all these different slides which can go together quite easily. So obviously you'd have one that matches that, but it looks cool. Now let's just say you wanted to edit it a little bit, right? So you don't like that background like image or the text or something like that. You can actually edit each individual slide. Of course, it's going to take a little tiny bit longer, but doesn't matter. And you can also add in other things down here as well. It's got like the advanced editor. But the most important thing is you've got a voiceover as well, right? So you can actually record your own voiceover for each slide. And that's how you can do all these like different voiceover type of videos. So if you want to change anything, you can just, you know, change the style and the font and all that sort of stuff here, the layers, you know, the backgrounds, the scenes, all that sort of stuff. Not really going to change too much, but I just wanted to show you that. There's all the different animations you can do as well, you know, colors, all that sort of stuff. So let's just say I wanted to make it like, obviously you want it a little bit, maybe like so. Yeah, something like that. So it looks pretty good, and I'm happy. And then once you're done with it, you just click save, and then you can go through each slide. And then once you're finished, if you're all happy and ready to go, you just click export. You can also add music. I forgot to show you that, but so this generally takes probably about 2 minutes, 3 minutes, depending on the length, of course. But it doesn't take long. You can go off and do whatever. It's already doing all the hard lifting for you and everything. And yeah, so I'm just going to pause the video right now, and I'm going to show you what it comes out like. And we are done. So I'm just downloading it, but you can actually see what it looks like right here. So I'll start it from the beginning. I don't actually need to see it. So here it is. You can see how crisp it looks, right? So that took, I don't know, maybe a minute, 2 minutes to actually to create. But what we've created is this ad. Now the lengths are all a little bit long. You can always change them to whatever length you want. But it's just to show you sort of how easy it is to piece together the videos, right? So it looks super professional, you know, it looks really nice. And I could definitely turn this into an ad, right? Obviously I want to use a real website. I want to use my like proper created sort of like proper researched imagery and like videos and things like that. But that's the basics of it, right? Super easy to do. And these are the ones that work. Now, I'm going to show you a few other types that I've created just to give you an example. So this one here is for a online marketing course, created super simply, right? It's just to give you an example of what's working. I was just an affiliate for this, super easy. It was just sending someone to a webinar, and I was just posting that. It was a Facebook ad, so it ran really well. And what other ones do I have? I did like a weight loss for keto one. This is just like a YouTube video, I believe, and I'll show you this. This did really well. I was leading them to a product at the end. So 7 simple tips to getting into keto. It's going to render, so it'll probably take a little bit of time. But I just took some information of another website, you know, pasted it on here, created a quick video, and then at the end of it, I think I had a call to action. It was something like, yeah, go to this website to learn more stuff, right? And you can create these videos super easy. I'm gonna like teach someone else to do it like a freelancer, and then he can just pump out a bunch of videos for me for these, and I can just run ads to them, right? Super quick. So that's how powerful it is, guys. It's super easy to use. You don't have to overcomplicate it. It's literally a very, very powerful marketing tool, and it's so cheap. Oh my God, it's so cheap. Anyway, I'm gonna jump back to the camera. I just want to say a final few things, and then I'll let you guys chill. Okay guys, so that is InVideo. I hope you can see how easy it is to use. I've literally made like I think about 50 videos now on my other account. This is sort of my like sharing and teaching account, and it's a really powerful tool, guys. You don't have to overcomplicate it. If you're running ads, this thing is invaluable. If you're making YouTube channels for like, you know, compilation things, this tool is invaluable. Super powerful. It's one of the best tools you can get if you're video marketing for business. So if you want to check out InReview, make sure you use that link in the description. And I might even do a little video marketing series because I'm getting so heavy into video marketing right now. I'll leave that in the description as well. It'll keep you updated. There's probably some bonuses in there too. But I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, give it a like. Make sure you subscribe for more epic videos. And that's it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one.